working on painting with white flat protective paint. It's also Rust-Oleum, and what I've been doing is I've been sanding with a 600 grit piece of sandpaper. After I do that, I've been spraying with this. And after that, I'm pretty much done with the beginning part of the flooring. I still have so much to do, but at least we have like a good solid foundation for the rust situation. Really, really excited because you finally can see progress. So I'm taking the curtains off of the VW bus that Bryan's had forever, and I'm gonna make my own curtain. I noticed that a bunch of dead bees are on the curtains, so I was unscrewing something that was holding it in place right here, and it just like kind of falls off, and then you see all the dead bees. What you're doing.
Covering up the bus so we can leave it for a while until we come back at Christmas time. Watch out for that medicine.